Alright, so we're chasing a misfire. We're down to the lifter. Compression test come back. All cylinders show up 135. PSI is the L26 block. 65,000 miles on it. Anyhow, so I pulled cylinder 2 lifters. I got these nice and clean. Again, only has 65,000 on it. But then you have this guy. All discoloring. So I decided, let me pull cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to see that all these lifters are all nice and pretty. Except for this one that come out of cylinder 2. And not only that, but I can spin this. Unlike, I can't spin this one by hand. I haven't tried these yet. But this one, I can spin the plunger in circles. So, give me some advice here.